Yes. Students, now we start with the exercise questions. You already given in the previous class. The exercise 1.6 question number first. A college awarded 38 medals in football, 38 medals in football and 15 in basketball and 20 in cricket. 58 basketball, football, 15 basketball and 20 in cricket. And if these medals went to the total of 58 men, a total of 58, the union of these three is 58 men, and only three men got all the three medals. Yes, the question is how many medals in exactly two of the three sports. In football 58 medals, basketball 15, in cricket 20, and 3 medals in all the 3 games. And the total medals are 58. So we know that NF union B union C equals to NF plus NB plus NC minus NF intersection B minus MB intersection C minus NC intersection F plus NA NF intersection F intersection B intersection C. Yes. So NF union B union C is given 58, 38, and B is given, and C is given, and NF, these three are unknown. You write it as it is, and intersection is this. Now we simplify these three equations. Then we get the three values, unknown values. That is NF intersection B, and B intersection C, and C intersection F. And these terms are shifted in the right hand side. That is 18. So according to the Venn diagram, F football, B basketball, and C cricket. In this part, according to the statement, these are 18s play at least 18 medals are at least in 2 games, 2 maybe 4 more than 2. D plus G, E plus G, and F plus G, that is equals to 18. But we already know that the value of G is 3. Then solve this equation and get the value of D plus E plus F. D plus E plus F, these are represented exactly 2 medals. These 2 medals in football and basketball, these 2 medals are basketball and cricket, and these medals are in football and cricket. So we, according to the question, we find it that D plus E plus F. D plus E plus F is 9. In the question number second, out of 500 car owners, 400 car owner car A and 200 on car B and 50 on both. Out of 500, union is 500, universal set. So NA union B equals to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. That is 550. But we know that A union B is always less than equals to NU, universal set, because A union B is a subset of the universal set. Therefore, but in this part, A union B is greater than NU. Therefore, this statement is incorrect. Next, question number 3. A market research group conducted a survey of 100 consumers. 1000 consumers respond that 720 consumers like the product A, 720 product like the product A, and 450 like the product B. Out of 1000 surveys, out of 1000 persons. So out of 1000 persons, so NA union B is this. So NA intersection B. The question is to find out what is the least number of the that must have like both the product. That is A intersection B. We solve it, and A is given, B is given, and A union B is given. 720 plus 450 minus 1000, that is 170. One more question, that is the question number 5. in a class of 50 students, and you is 50 students, 27 like history, 27 like civics, and 25 like economics, and 15 like both history and civics, and 16 like civics and economics, and 40 like economics and history, and 9 students like all the 3 subjects, history, civics as well as economics. So we know that n at union C union F equals to NH plus NC plus NF minus n at intersection C minus n C intersection E minus n E intersection F plus n at intersection C intersection E. Solve this, then we get 43. So 43 peoples like all the 3 subjects out of these 3. So according to the Venn diagram, these are the 43. Total peoples are 50 out of 43 like this. So it means 50 minus 43, that is 7 people. I mean none of these 3 subjects. And again I repeat the statement. What about D plus G? D plus G like history and civics. 15. D plus G is 15. G is already given that 9. Then we get the value of D. D is 6. Then E plus G, civics and economics, 16. E plus G is 16. G is 9. Then we get E, 7. Then history and economics, F plus G, F plus 9, 14. F is 5. But according to the statement, how many like the history, that is A plus B plus F plus G, A plus D plus F plus G is 27. We already get the value of D, F and G. Putting the value of this, then we get the value of A. How many people like the civics? B plus D plus E plus G, B plus D plus E plus G. We already get the value of D, E and G. Substitute that, we get the value of B. B is 5. Then last part, how many like the economics? Economics is C plus E plus F plus G. We already get the value of F, E and G. Then we get the value of C. C is this, 4. Again we substitute the value of A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H in that same diagram. After this we give the answer of all the remaining questions. The question, do not study any subject. Out of these universal. 7 people don't like all out of these 3 subjects. Second part, only economics. 4 like only economics. Next part, civics and economics but not history. Civics and economics but not history. How many like both the subjects? That is 7. And the question is, one of the three subjects, that is 8, 7 plus 5 plus 4, 16 people like only one subject. And according to this part, how many people like only 2 subjects? Only 2, that is 6 plus 7 plus 5. At least 2 subjects. If you find out the at least 2 subjects, that is 6 plus 7 plus 5 plus 9. At most 2 subjects. At most, for example of at most, except the 9, all the students like at most 2 subjects. Okay.